Are you overwhelmed by CSS selectors? With the numerous selectors and more on the way, it's easy to feel lost. Do you get confused by all the different CSS selectors? Do you forget which selectors to use? Do you wonder if there are better options? Do you fear missing out on new selectors? If you ever get the feelings, you are not alone. But don't panic, don't fret. Now's your chance to master CSS selectors with confidence. Hi, I'm Ryan, your instructor for this comprehensive CSS selectors course. Here's what you will get in this course. You will learn over 70 selectors and 10 plus CSS fundamentals, which contains over 13 hours of step-by-step video tutorials. Practice with more than 100 CSS quizzes to reinforce your learning. Apply the CSS selectors to real-world scenarios such as CSS tooltips, CSS custom checkboxes, email list with indeterminate pseudo class, and much more. Plus, our card search page lets you quickly review selectors whenever you need a refresher. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced developer, this course will help you master CSS selectors and write more efficient and effective CSS code. I am very excited to be your instructor and look forward to helping you gain confidence in using CSS selectors and support your developer's career journey. Ready to transform your CSS skills? Let's get started!